in this example here, Michael, who works in the finance team, has put the management accounts for August 2020 within the finance company team. Then he's posted a message to the whole of the team to say, I uploaded those documents and that they're ready for you to go and have a look. And so I'm logged into a whole bunch of different teams here, but then once Michael's made that post, we can see that Sarah will see that message. She can like it, and then she can reply and say, thanks for posting those accounts. I'll go and take a look. She can immediately go into the Files tab, and she can go straight into those documents without having to download them or do anything to them at all. She can start reviewing the figures, and then she can put a conversation about the document straight into that finance company team. So she's writing a message here to tag Michael saying, let's talk about the 269,000 in cost of materials. And once she's done that, what's really cool is then we can also collaborate with people outside of the business. So this could be your CPA, your accountant, your tax advisor, your auditors, your supplier, maybe not with your management accounts, but with supply reports, customer reports. So you can invite people into your teams. And in this case, the CFO is then saying to the external guest, the monthly accounts are ready. Can now that person take a look? So now we would log in as the external guest, in this case as Steve. Steve can see the message, just showing here that it's logged in as Steve. We can immediately then go into that same file that Sarah was in and that Michael uploaded. And now he's in the document live at the same time as Sarah. And this all works in the desktop application as well, just like you'll see here. And now in this scenario, the guest is going to be able to put a comment in to say, is this that same figure that we were talking about before? Now, if we flick back to Sarah, so the CFO's view, hopefully this is still making sense. She can go into that file again live. She can see that Steve is logged into it. They're collaborating on the same document using data that came from Business Central, and they can make comments on the file. Sarah can see those comments. She can reply to Steve. And we've got this very tight collaboration on financial data that can be used with your own team, with other teams in the business, with external guests. The point is that this information can go across businesses, across teams within businesses. You can use financial data out of Business Central, and it's one of those things that I think can speed up productivity hugely, especially if people aren't all working in the same place.